All right, here we are with a, I don't know, 1 pound, 2 pound, whatever this ostrich egg weighs. I'm gonna try to scramble it inside the shell, then drill a hole in it, pour it out, and cook it. Let's see how well this works. Can you hear it? Well, I don't know, for anyone who's never done this before like me, this egg shell is super, super thick. It's not like your chicken egg. So, I don't know how long this has to be done for, but let's see if it works. I'm going to start using a wood bit on my drill since it's got the point and can actually pierce the shell. I may have to switch to another, like a masonry type of bit. I don't really know. Wow. I'm not sure what happened, but I saw a piece of shell fly.
Mm-hmm.
And it's already leaking. Oh, this is really cool. Oh, did it crack? No? I don't think so. That was weird. We've got leakage. I'm gonna change bits. I'm afraid the wood bit is gonna tear it up. Okay. Before we do that, just to avoid any little shells, I'm going to rinse out the bowl. And I think it worked. I think we successfully, it almost looks like it's chunks. That's very interesting. Oh. I was hoping it would pour out a little quicker than this.
That's all right.
But it seems to be working. There was a...
I don't know what that is.
part of the yolk?
I don't know.
I'm not so sure if we want to use it.
Yeah.
But let's finish first. Then maybe we strain it. I don't know. I'm guessing here.
Feel like it's almost out?
Yeah. It's a lot of egg.
It is.
Still coming. I think it's about empty though. Yeah, that's it. Well, we got my partner in crime here. I think we should throw this away. What do you think?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. I was about to say it's part chicken, but it's not chicken.
Part off.